Welcome to the Codatta community. If you've heard about Codatta from a friend or from a social media post, you're probably wondering, so what is Codatta? Codatta is the decentralized data platform that connects AI developers with data creators to Co-Train AGI. Codatta is currently engaged in diverse annotation frontiers, including crypto annotation and robotics annotation. It also offers tailored solutions to meet unique business needs. Now we're going to check out a super cool platform created by Codatta. You can go ahead and click on here, and if this is your first time, it will have the prompt to ask you to log in. After that, you would see a platform like this. It has submission, validation, bounty hunting and quest on the left, and your personal info on the right. Today we're going to look into validation on the platform over here. But before we get into the details, let's see how validation is related to submission right here. If you watch the submission demo, and if you've tried to do a couple of submissions on your own, you would have noticed this prompt after submitting. It says your submission is at the point of human intelligence, and that's when validation comes in. Human validation or human intelligence means platform users can make quality validation of data submitted by other users, which could be any of you. Let us go through the 3 principles of validation before we actually complete one. First would be the level of content completion. Make sure to check if a submission has all the required information filled out. The text here is where we usually find insufficient information. Even a brief description of the address can tell you that this user is treating this submission seriously, and the information here is reliable. The next principle would be the authenticity of the information, such as whether the network and address match or the address and transaction hash match. Also check if a submission included irrelevant pictures. That says a lot about the attitude of this user. We hope to see only helpful and supportive images. Then it would be the consistency among items. If the entity in the submission is Binance, then its category should be Exchange CEX. There should be at least one screenshot included that shows the same address as it is in address item. Higher self-consistency leads to a higher pass rate, which will further promote data quality and reputation of the user. In the long run, you will find higher rewards from the protocol. Right here is our brand new validation interface, where you may choose Show All and choose one of the submissions to validate, or click on one of the modules. Let's try both here. After clicking on Show All, I'm going to pick one randomly, and from here we get to see some details about the submission. Let's check if the address and transaction hash match what is it shown on the screenshot, and the text description is included. That's good. When you check the address on Etherscan, take a screenshot as well and upload it here, whether you choose to approve or reject this submission. This is a way to support your decision. Another way to validate is to click on one of the modules here, and you will see a question, does the address have any historical transaction data? If you click on the address, it will take you to here where you can see all of the transactions of this address. Then you may click on Approve and say, this address has a total number of 221,253 transactions. Let's take a look at another validation, where it asks, is the image or description relate to the address? Let's take a closer look. The address matches the info in the description and matches the screenshot over here as well. So it will be a case to approve. Another validation has an image of an animal, and obviously the description is not related to entity as well. Then go ahead and reject this one. After submitting the validation, you can either wait for about 2 days or check back anytime in here where it says in progress. This is the list of validation you've done, and here is where the completed validations will show up. Thank you so much for watching this demo. Hope you find it helpful. See you next time.